What's up, guys? I thought I'd give you a Christmas video because I haven't posted in a while. I have my last two American Chiefs, and then I'm gonna cut real quick. Parking lot with a freeway view, so whoever's on the freeway gets a Christmas Eve fireworks show. So also got my winter attire, and let's get into it. All right, let's light this bad boy off. Nice freeway view. Let's do one more. Grab this sucker. All right, Merry Christmas, everyone. Sorry for the freeway noise if you can't hear that. Got a big cloud. Merry Christmas. Hit it. More for the road. Might do a low brake again because it's kind of stuck, but